and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Everything went by smoothly. The only thing that made me mad is I printed off stuff prior between Walgreens and CVS, and I printed them off and then totally forgot to grab them. So not a big deal. It was just like two different deals, one at each store, but everything went by smoothly. All my CRTs worked, so I'm excited to share with you guys on that. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So the Febreze is $2.99. I had a 3 off of 2 Febreze CRT that I used, plus I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So you guys will get these for absolutely free, or like a 2-cent moneymaker. So I'm like, yes, 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 yes. I also did the Crest toothpaste. Now the Crest toothpaste was $3. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You guys would pay $1 for this, but then you guys can get a $1 extra care buck, making it absolutely free. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, go for it. The Cadbury eggs, now these are 2 for $2. Now we did get some dollar off of 2 coupon CRTs that printed from the red machine today. So these were just $1. You guys would pay $1 for this. Funny thing is, I was at the store and I'm printing off my CRTs, and then a lady comes and she's standing like right next to me, and I always let them go in front of me because most people just print it off once. So she walks away for a second because mine were still printing off, and so I printed them off again. I scanned my card 3 times, and then after that, then I enter my phone number twice. It gives me a limit of 5 that I can enter my phone number, scan my card to have all the CRTs print, and then at the register I only had 2 print off. So she printed hers off and she was looking at them, and I says, why don't you scan your card again? I says, most likely you got more that'll print off. She's like, really? I says, yeah. So she scanned her card again and more printed off. Sorry, I'm playing with my water bottle. And I'm like, scan it again. And she scanned it again. She's like, holy crap, there's more. And I says, yeah. So then I was trying to help her get her some deals, because she was just like she was just like a person just walking in there. She wasn't a coupon or anything, but wanted to share her with that. So yes. Now, I ended up finding the secret deodorant. Now, this is on sale for $2 this week. If you guys buy one, you get a $1 CRT extra care buck. But I had a $1 off any deodorant, so I ended up paying. You get $2. I used that $1 off CRT. You would pay $1 for this, but then you guys would get a $1 extra care buck, making this absolutely free. So I did that deal. Now, I had these Listerine ready tabs. Now, these are all full of dust. Funny thing is, I had a CRT and I didn't read it until the very end, but the CRT said floss, pocket packs, or mouthwash, or something like that is what it said. It didn't say anything about the tabs or tablets. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try this anyways to see if it works. If it doesn't, I'll just take it right off. So these were $3.99. I had a 3 off CRT. Plus there is a $1 off digital coupon that I used. So I got these absolutely free. So that was the first thing she scanned, and she's like, yep, it works. So I got these free, which I was pretty excited for. Now, I did the shampoo deal. Now I wanted to use my 4 off of 18 shampoo CRT that I used, so I ended up doing something different. So what I ended up getting is I got the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. These were $4.99. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts last week. You would pay $5.98 for this, but then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. So I ended up getting that. And then I ended up doing the Garnier Fructis deal. Now these were 2 for $7. I had a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts last week. So I ended up using that. So you guys would pay $4 for this. You get $3 back in an extra care buck, making it $1. Now I was $1 short from $18, and I'm just like, oh. So what I ended up doing is I ended up getting the Not Your Mother's dry shampoo. Now these were $3.79. They were buy one get one 50% off. You guys would pay $5.68 for this, but then you guys will get $3 back in an extra care buck, making it $2.68 or $1.34. Now I had to. I wanted to use that 4 off of 18 CRT. So if you guys add all 6 bottles together, it came to $22.66 with the 4 off of 2, the 3 off of 2, and the 4 off of 18 between the coupons and the CRT. It came to $11.66. And then you guys would get $3 back with an extra care buck, $3 back with an extra care buck, and $5 back with an extra care buck, making everything just 66 cents for all that stuff. So everything came out to be 11 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I really wanted it to be a moneymaker, but I didn't. They were still putting tags up by all the shampoo and conditioner, so I couldn't figure out what else I could do. So I'm just like, you know what? I'll take it for 11 cents a piece. That is a great deal. So yeah, I'm just putting everything back in my bag. Okay, so I got one more bag for you guys to share with you. The Lysol wipes. Funny thing is, when I go to Walgreens, they're completely bone dry today. At Walgreens or at CVS, they had a couple. These were $3.89. Now, I was gonna get the other ones, but those were $4.99. And I'm like, I'm gonna get these because these can like scrub stuff. So I ended up getting these. These were $3.89. Buy one, get one 50% off. I used a paper coupon for 50 cents off. And I used a digital coupon for 50 cents off. I had $1.50 off wipes Lysol CRT, and then I had $1 off a 2 CRT. So I just paid $2.33 for these. Comes out to be just $1.16 a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do it. There's a lady parked right next to me, and she keeps staring at me like, what the heck are you doing? Like, she walked in the store and then saw me, and now she's like just staring at me out her window, and I'm like, okay. And she heard me because her window was down. So I ended up, she's driving away. I ended up getting the Covergirl. Now I ended up getting the eyebrows for $5.99 and the mascara for $9.29. Now I had a 3 off of 15 Covergirl CRT that I wanted to use, and I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts, I think last week. So I used that 3 off of 15 CRT. You guys would pay $6.28 for the both of these. You get a $5 extra care buck, making it just $1.28 or 64 cents if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I did the Maybelline deal. I had a second one in here. Where'd it go? Here it is. The Maybelline eyeshadow. Now these are $4.19. You guys want to buy 2 of them. I used 1 paper coupon and 1 digital coupon. Then I also had a $3 off CRT that printed from the red machine last week. So you guys would get these for $3.38. But then you guys would get a $7 extra care buck, making it a $3.62 moneymaker. So definitely go ahead and do that if you guys can. And then I also got the Colgate toothpaste. Now this was $2.99. I used a 50-cent off coupon that we got from our inserts, I think last week. You would pay $2.49, but then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck, making it just 49 cents. So, okay deal. I usually say free or a quarter for toothpaste, but I want to share with you guys deals. That's what I came here for. So, the next deal I was pretty excited for, and I'm really excited to try this Jergens body wash. It smells so good. So we got Jergens body wash. At my store, this was $8.59. I used a $3 off coupon that we either got from this inserts, or there is a $3 off printable coupon that you guys can use. But I actually, now you can use a 2 off a 6 body wash if you guys want to do it this way, but I actually had a 3 off a 12 body wash that I wanted to do. So I'm like, okay, what else is on sale that I could do? Well, these Suave, and these were the only 2 that they had. These Suave were $2 a piece, okay? So what happens is you guys want to use a $1 off a 2. Now that coupon does expire today. And then I also had a $1 off CRT that I got from last week, which is like, okay, another CRT. So I ended up buying all 3 of these. I used a $1 off a 2 and a 3 off coupon. I had the 3 off a 12 body wash CRT. So you guys would pay $4.59 for these 3 items. But then you guys will get $2 back when you buy 2 of the Suave, and then you guys will get $2 back when you buy the Jergens. So these come out to be just 59 cents or just 19 cents a piece, which is a great deal. And the Suave does count towards it counts for Fetch Rewards, so you guys can go ahead and do that. I can't remember if the body wash does count for beauty for CVS. If it does, let me know. I always get confused, but I'm pretty excited to try this, and it smells so good. So yeah, so that was my haul, you guys. I wanted to do the lotion deal, but my inserts this time didn't get them, which is weird because I've gotten the Eucerin inserts from them plenty of times, but this time I didn't. So I always say, make sure you guys pay attention when you guys get your inserts, when you see people do breakdowns and stuff. Kind of pay attention to what you guys will get this time. Because I was expecting to get that coupon and I never did. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. So my total came to 21 cents. And I actually used the Febreze app. Now I'm going to point this out to you guys every single time. The Febreze app is an awesome app, especially for CVS. If you guys are not sure what Febreze is, Febreze is a cash back app, just like Ibotta Pay. So what you guys can do is with CVS, you guys join, you click my referral link, you guys will get 3 vouchers. And those vouchers are for 35% off up to $10 for select stores. That includes Burger King, Papa John's, I think, CVS, Starbucks, and a couple other places. So what you guys can actually do is if you guys join, use my referral link, you get a voucher for 35% off, and you can use that. So what I end up doing is before my store, they have you buy instant gift cards. Now you guys can buy, you can buy what the exact total is, but I like to get the best bang for my buck. So I always buy a $10 instant gift card. And what I end up doing is I get $3.50 back. That's 35% off of $10. So I get $3.50 back. So what I do is I screenshot that, and I will use that for the next couple transactions that I do at CVS, and then I pay nothing out of pocket. So then what happens is when I run out of that, then I use another voucher. Now you guys get new vouchers every time you get somebody to join, and then you get money for you get like a penny for every time they make a purchase most of the time. But you guys can you guys can use another voucher for another $10 gift card and you get $3.50. But technically, you can use that $3.50 towards your next purchase. So you guys are technically going to pay $6.50. Use that $3.50 from the past purchase, and you guys can get additional $3.50. So it just keeps going and going and going. So definitely go ahead and do that. I need to do another updated video of the Flus app. I'm just waiting for my basement to be back together so I can share with you guys on that. But definitely go ahead and join that app. It's a great app. It's so many stores. I think there's like over 200-300 stores. I mean, with Bath and Body Works, you can get 2 to 3% cash back just by shopping there. I mean, if you guys are paying normal price, just use that app. You buy an instant gift card. So what I like to do before I go to stores is I like to purchase the instant gift card for like 10 or 20 bucks, and then I just screenshot it, and then I just use it for the future, because then I'm not holding up the lines, holding up the app, you know, having the cashier wait. That's just what I like to do, and you know, that's just kind of what I like. And I have like gift cards, or when we go out to eat, I'm like, oh, I can use my Flus app. I'll just buy this instant gift card, have them scan it, and voila, I got like 10 between. You guys can get between 1 to 10%. Some of them you have even more, and then with those vouchers up to $10 you get 35% cash back. So yes. So just give you guys a heads up on that. But yeah, my total was 21 cents for that. I ended up using $36 worth of extra care books, but I did receive $31 back. So my grand total came to $5.21. I got 23 items at just 23 cents a piece. I think that is a great deal. Everything went by smoothly. I didn't have any problems. What I like to do when I scan them is I give them a product and then I have them scan the coupon. Give them a product, have them scan the coupon. I've learned that's the best way to do it, because then my coupons don't get messed up and everything's all figured out. So if you guys have problems like that, just have them give the product, scan the coupon, and then I give them my CRTs all at the very end, and then I tell them what my total is, or they tell me what my total is, and then I say, okay, I always give them the extra care bucks after that. So yeah, so I only paid like $3 and something cents is what I had to, $3.76 is what I had to pay, but I used my Flus app, and that $3.50 was pretty much for free. So it came out to be pretty much absolutely free. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all next week for a CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.